Hi everyone, welcome to Healthcetera. Here we unravel amazing health tips, secrets and recipes for your health and well-being. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly subscribe for free and turn on the notification button to get notified immediately we post a new video. Mix ginger with cloves and you will thank me later for this recipe. A magical recipe. Drink it before bedtime and you will thank me for it. If you are in search of a natural and easy recipe to strengthen the immune system, reduce blood sugar, lower cholesterol levels and prevent respiratory diseases? Today's video is the best fit for you. First ingredient: fresh ginger. Ginger increases immunity and fights viruses such as colds and influenza. It is an effective antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal. Ginger promotes digestion, treats digestive problems and facilitates the absorption of fats in the small intestines. Ginger promotes weight loss and burns accumulated fat in the abdominal area. Ginger is an excellent source of antioxidants which slow the effects of aging by reducing free radical damage to the body. Ginger regulates blood sugar and lowers cholesterol levels. We are going to need a piece of fresh ginger of this size. In a saucepan, put 1 tablespoon of the ginger. Second ingredient: cloves. Cloves strengthens immunity and has both antiseptic and analgesic properties. In the same saucepan containing ginger, add cloves and ½ liter of water. Cover it and leave it to boil for 10 minutes on low heat. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button and bell icon. Allow the mixture to cool down for 5 minutes and filter the mixture into a clean container. You can store this recipe in your refrigerator for 3 days. Drink 1 cup of about 180 milliliters before bedtime on a daily basis. This natural recipe will strengthen your immune system and protect you against respiratory diseases such as cough and influenza. You can sweeten this drink with 1 teaspoon of natural honey. This recipe is not recommended for pregnant women. Thanks for watching. Give a try to this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section below. See you in our next video.